Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Difference between the normal radiography and the mammography. So what is radiography? So under radiography you have both are the Brem Strahlang X-ray and a characteristic X-ray are produced. Next, looking at the target, you have the tungsten and the rhenium. This is in case of radiography. So tungsten and the rhenium. Next, looking at the window. Under the window, you have the glass, and looking at the filter, there is the Al plus the Co. This is the filter. Now moving on to the mammography. So under mammography, it is the only characteristic X-ray. It is only characteristic X-ray, and what will be the target? The target will be the molybdenum. Molybdenum will be the target. Now we're looking at the window. It includes a beryllium. So beryllium is a target. Next is a filter. The filter will include the molybdenum. So molybdenum will be also the target. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.